Before we start interpreting this dream, we would like you to follow our channel, give like and make comment for support. Thank you. To see that you knock on someone's door in your dream indicates that you have a hostile feeling towards the person whose door you knocked. To see that your own door is knocked on in your dream indicates that someone has hostility towards you. According to another interpretation, knocking on the door in a dream is a sign of dispute and strife that will occur about the person whose door is stolen by the person who knocks on the door. Knocking on the door in a dream portends bad luck and malice, being face to face with calamities, approaching dangers and evils. Opening the knocking door in a dream is a very good dream. It symbolizes an unexpected but pleasant news that will bring you much happiness. This dream also means a news or opportunity that you are waiting for. You should know that you should not miss these opportunities. Opening the knocking door is a sign of this. Seeing a door in a dream. To dream of a door may represent your current peaceful state or a final period of calm that you are experiencing in reality. However, this is not a bad thing. For example, if you are unemployed and have financial difficulties, it means starting a new job and keeping up with the tempo of this job. It's a fresh start, but it's a bit of a difficult start. Ringing the doorbell in a dream. The ringing of the doorbell in your dream suggests that you are about to meet someone who will become a great romantic interest for you. This person may be waiting in the doorway to ring your heart bell at any moment. In short, it signifies a new love. Locking the door in a dream. Locking a door in a dream means escaping from your fears. Instead of facing your fears, you run away from them and lock the doors. But you must anticipate that these fears are accumulating. You should understand that now is the time to face them, and you should not forget that hiding will not do you any good. Seeing a doorknob in a dream. To see a doorknob in your dream indicates that your luck will open, your future will be beautiful, and tomorrow will come for you with happiness and success. It is interpreted as an auspicious dream and evaluated as goodness. Removing the house door in a dream. Removing the house door in the dream means that various bad news will be heard for the host person. At the same time, various bad events will happen to the person and that he will experience great sadness. Changing the house door in a dream. To see house door in a dream and the change of this door is a harbinger of bad events. The change of the house door is a sign that the situation of the household will change. This can be a sign of falling into a bad state while in a good situation, or as a rise from a bad situation to a good situation.